What's the biggest nightmare a parent can ever have? The child leaving them, right? For the past 12 years, there is an organization which is a tie-up for this very same separation called school. What are the similarities between school and jail, if you may ask? Both has mandatory uniforms, mandatory lunch timings. You can visit your loved ones for a single day, for a very little time. And both has a mandatory timetable. Contest chair, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests. Today, I would like to take you on a past journey of my timetable in school in 6th grade. So the school started with roll calls or attendance. My name is Abhishek Verma, and I was named after Abhishek Bachchan. But that's not the only tragedy that happened with me. I always came second in class. Because of my alphabetical order, I used to sit second. In every exam center, I was second. For every viva, I went second. That was the biggest tragedy that I had. And during the attendance, my eyes would wander, my ears would flap, when I would listen to sweet voices saying present ma'am. Roll number 21, present ma'am, Mansi. Roll number 23, present ma'am, Muskan. Roll number 27, roll number 31, roll number 38, and roll number 39. These were the crushes of mine. And then came our teacher yelling and scolding that one boy would never attend in the class. This boy never attends class. And I used to wonder, why scold him? As a teacher, you have done all your education, all your training to attend the same school every single day. Then enters math, the horror subject, and his hypothetical problems. Class, the crow had 20 cards and he gave away 10 cards. What is X? What is X? Where is X? Where is X? One of my friends will say, Kuch to gadbad hai there. Kuch to gadbad hai. There's something problem in here. The other will argue, I think the X went away with the 10 cards. The third one will say, I don't think there is any X as such. And the smart kid will elbow the other three and will say, bro, if a guy named Rohan owns 20 cars, forget about one, he might have multiple X's. Then came English lecture. An English lecture, our teacher had loved giving passages to read to everyone. And she always starts with the monitor first. Easy for her. Read the first page, first line, and how she reads. India is a land of diversity. India has many geographical locations, while others trying to imitate her, following her. Because she knows the teacher isn't looking at the monitor. The teacher is finding her next victim. Those who's not reading or those who's not listening. Chandra, stand up. Read from where she has left. And Chandra be like, I've not bring my book. Sorry. Then tring. Chandra is safe. Enters lunch period. Lunch is a time when we all savor, love, and enjoy tiffins made by our friend's mother. There is always this Gujarati who brings thepla, a South Indian who brings idli, and there is always this Sindhi who brings papad. Papad. And they all left their lunch boxes to put their hands into mine. You know what I brought? I brought Maggie. Then after getting some energy out, we went to play and enjoy my favorite subject, and I believe it's yours too. A subject in which the first class person that was absent, when the name guy was absent, he used to have 100% attendance there. I'm talking about sports lecture. India, the fittest guy of the school, our PE teacher, would come. And before he lets us play, he'll come and do this. Okay, class, everyone, the hands are raised. Left, right, down. Left, right, down. I say, what is this? Please let us play. In this moment, I used to take revenge from my Sindhi friend who used to stand just above me, outside me. I used to take revenge from him. How did I used to take revenge from him? Because he took the most part of my Maggie. Left, right, up, down. Left, right, up, down. The Sindhi guy was like, who is this? Who fought me? I was like, Mohan. But Sindhi guy knew. He was waiting for his opportunity. He was waiting for lunges to happen. In lunges, our PE teacher told, everyone go forward. Come back. Move forward. Come back. This was all about the timetable which I followed in my past. But why I am telling you this? Because in the past, we had fun. We had endless memories following this very same timetable. We follow the very same timetable, but it's different. It is filled with hectic schedules, deadlines, and paychecks. So if you ever feel wonder, if you ever feel lost, where are those fun moments gone? Try to inculcate past timetable which you had. Call your friends. Cherish memories. Enjoy with them. Chill in good vibes. Contest share, what is your timetable?